welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a new subscription box. It is called Rose War Panty Power. It's a a period box, but it has like other stuff, like you can get jewelry or sheet mask or snacks or you can get period stuff too, but it's an option. You can not get it, and in its place you can get like another gift. So let's see what we got in here. It says welcome to February. Now I thought I was gonna get the January box first, but I guess I got the February box first. Or that's their little card. I'm not gonna look at it yet, so I think it has everything that's listed in here. They give you a little coupon. It's for what? Graham and Fisk's wine in a can. Okay. 30% off. If y'all are wine enthusiasts, I'll leave that there for a second. That's the code. Look how cute they packaged it. How cute. Okay, so up top we have the, let's see, from the brand You Need. This is the Collagen Elasticity Sheet Masks. And then I have, from the same brand, this is the Vitamin Brightening Sheet Mask. So that's nice. I'm already excited. Oh my goodness. Look at all the snacks. Oh my. This is the Choco Hazelnut. I guess they're like those pirouette cookies. That's what they feel like. They feel like those little wafer sticks with the cream in the middle. So I'll revisit those in a second. Then we have Michael and Augustine dark chocolate and a pinch of sea salt, 1 cookie square. And then we have Roly Poly. I'm not sure what that is, but I'll revisit that in a second. Ooh, then we got the Quaker Chewy Dips chocolate chip bar. I love these. Thank you. Let's see what else we got in here. Then we have a cappuccino candy. That sounds yummy. Then we have a green grape candy. What else do they throw in here? Okay, this is, I might find some more snacks in there, I don't know. The E-Resonance Orange Douce. What is this? I'll have to read what this is. I'm not sure what that is. So I'll look at that in a second. Then we have this Dr. Botanicals Lemon Superfood All-in-One Rescue Butter. Ooh. Nice. Then we have this Be Fine Food Skincare Exfoliating Cleanser with brown sugar, sweet almond, and oats. Ooh, that sounds nice. Then we have Pink Beauty. Oh, it's wrapped up really nice. So I bet it's a glass jar. Yeah. It says head, shoulders, knees, and toes. A shimmering, multi-purpose, minty, clean, scented, foaming, moisturizing exfoliant. Useful for full face and body cleansing, exfoliating, whipped blend of shea, cocoa butter, and coconut oil, and a moisture locking layer that softens and shines all day long. So that is, looks like there's more samples. I got some down there wipes. Those always come in handy. These are rose water. They say they're flushable, but I wouldn't suggest flushing these. No. Let's see. Before we get into the undies, I'll go over what we got in here. Let's see. This Pink Beauty Organic Skincare is worth $24. This guy here. The Skin Chemist Lemon Superfood All-in-One Rescue Butter, that is $17. The K-Beauty Sheet Masks, or it says $6, so they're probably about $3 each. And the Be Fine Exfoliating Cleanser is $15. So they added this in. I have no idea what it is. Let me see. It says more info, peel here. Okay, is there like an English version? This is all in like German. Guten Tag. Okay, if I had to guess, this is probably probably like an oil thing you can, essential oil you can put in your essential oil thing. So it's an orange, like an orange blossom. So yeah. Okay. So let's get into the underwear. They come in this cute little bag here. I ordered a 2X because I wasn't sure how big they ran, or small, you know, how, if they're small. Okay. Yeah. I'm glad I got the bigger size because these look like they ran small. This is Umita underwear. That's the brand. They're cute. Boy shorts with the like a lacy crisscross and some, you can see that, butterflies. That's cute. Looks like a nice liner too. So that's my first pair. I think you get 2 pairs. Also from the same brand. Cute. I like those. So, yeah. That's my box. I like that. I'm glad I checked this out. I'm really happy with it. So, thanks Grandma Bev for, showcasing this on your channel. I wouldn't have known about this box unless I, you know what I mean. I wouldn't have known about it without seeing it on your channel. That's what I was trying to get out. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed. Give us a thumbs up if you like unboxing videos. Subscribe if you have not. We'd love for you to join the fam. And click the bell if you'd like more notifications from me. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.